Hello, everyone, and welcome to Calm English Talks. Today is a very special episode because we're starting something exciting together, a 10-day English shadowing challenge. If you're new here, shadowing is one of the most powerful ways to improve your English speaking, pronunciation, listening skills, rhythm, and confidence. And the best part, you don't need to memorize grammar rules. You don't need expensive courses. You simply listen and repeat. Listen and repeat again and again. So before we begin, make sure you subscribe to Calm English Talks and share this challenge with a friend who is learning English. It means a lot to us. Now, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders, get comfortable, and let's start our English shadowing practice.
That's right. Today's session is designed to be easy, relaxing, and effective. Here's how it works. I will say a sentence, pause briefly, then you repeat it aloud. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on copying the pronunciation, rhythm, and emotion. Ready? Let's begin.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
How are you today?
I hope you're having a wonderful day.
I hope you're having a wonderful day.
I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy to be here.
Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for joining me.
Today feels like a good day.
Today feels like a good day.
I'm ready to learn English.
I'm ready to learn English.
I can improve every day.
I can improve every day.
Small steps create big results.
Small steps create big results.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Excellent work. Let's continue. Now we'll practice short conversations. Listen carefully and repeat.
Hello, how's your day going?
Hello, how's your day going?
My day is going well. Thank you for asking.
My day is going well. Thank you for asking.
What are your plans today?
What are your plans today?
I plan to study English.
I plan to study English.
That sounds great.
That sounds great.
Learning English takes practice.
Learning English takes practice.
Yes, but I'm improving every day.
Yes, but I'm improving every day.
That's wonderful. Keep going.
That's wonderful. Keep going.
Fantastic. Now, let's move to everyday expressions. Repeat after us.
I'm a little tired today.
I'm a little tired today.
I need a cup of coffee.
I need a cup of coffee.
The weather is beautiful today.
The weather is beautiful today.
I'm looking forward to the weekend.
I'm looking forward to the weekend.
It's nice to spend time with friends.
It's nice to spend time with friends.
I enjoy learning new things.
I enjoy learning new things.
I love listening to English podcasts.
I love listening to English podcasts.
Practice makes progress.
Practice makes progress.
Every day is a new opportunity.
Every day is a new opportunity.
I am grateful today.
I am grateful today. Amazing. You're doing great. Remember, shadowing is not about perfection. It's about training your ears and your mouth to work together. The more you repeat, the more natural English will feel. Let's continue with slightly longer sentences.
I started learning English because I wanted to communicate with people from different countries.
I started learning English because I wanted to communicate with people from different countries.
Sometimes learning a language feels difficult, but I never give up.
Sometimes learning a language feels difficult, but I never give up.
I try to practice English a little bit every day.
I try to practice English a little bit every day.
Listening and speaking regularly helps me improve faster.
Listening and speaking regularly helps me improve faster.
I feel more confident when I practice consistently.
I feel more confident when I practice consistently.
Making mistakes is a natural part of learning.
Making mistakes is a natural part of learning.
Every mistake teaches me something valuable.
Every mistake teaches me something valuable.
I am becoming a better English speaker every day.
I am becoming a better English speaker every day.
Confidence grows through practice and patience.
Confidence grows through practice and patience.
The journey may be slow, but it is worth it.
The journey may be slow, but it is worth it. Excellent. Now let's make the sentences a little more natural and conversational. Listen carefully and repeat exactly as you hear them.
Yesterday was a busy day, but I managed to finish all my work.
Yesterday was a busy day, but I managed to finish all my work.
After work, I went for a walk and enjoyed the fresh air.
After work, I went for a walk and enjoyed the fresh air.
The sunset was beautiful and it made me feel relaxed.
The sunset was beautiful and it made me feel relaxed.
I like finding joy in simple moments of life.
I like finding joy in simple moments of life.
A positive attitude can make a big difference.
A positive attitude can make a big difference.
When I stay consistent, I can achieve my goals.
When I stay consistent, I can achieve my goals.
Learning English opens many opportunities around the world.
Learning English opens many opportunities around the world.
I enjoy meeting people and learning about different cultures.
I enjoy meeting people and learning about different cultures.
Every conversation helps me become a better communicator.
Every conversation helps me become a better communicator.
The more I practice, the easier English becomes.
The more I practice, the easier English becomes.
Repeat. The more I practice, the easier English becomes. Excellent work, everyone. You're doing an amazing job. Now let's continue with longer shadowing practice. Remember, listen carefully and repeat with confidence.
One of the best ways to improve your English is to make it part of your daily routine.
Repeat. One of the best ways to improve your English is to make it part of your daily routine.
You don't need hours of study every day to see progress.
You don't need hours of study every day to see progress.
Even 10 minutes of focused practice can make a big difference over time.
Even 10 minutes of focused practice can make a big difference over time.
The secret is consistency, not perfection.
The secret is consistency, not perfection.
When you practice regularly, your confidence naturally grows.
When you practice regularly, your confidence naturally grows.
Many learners underestimate the power of small daily habits.
Many learners underestimate the power of small daily habits.
Small actions repeated every day can create extraordinary results.
Small actions repeated every day can create extraordinary results.
The key is to keep going even when progress feels slow.
The key is to keep going, even when progress feels slow.
Success often comes from patience and persistence.
Success often comes from patience and persistence.
Every day is another opportunity to become a better version of yourself.
Every day is another opportunity to become a better version of yourself. Wonderful! Now let's practice a natural conversation. Listen and repeat each sentence.
What do you usually do in the morning?
Repeat. What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually wake up early and drink a glass of water.
Repeat. I usually wake up early and drink a glass of water.
After that, I spend a few minutes planning my day.
Repeat. After that, I spend a few minutes planning my day.
That sounds like a productive way to start the morning.
Repeat. That sounds like a productive way to start the morning.
I find that planning helps me stay focused throughout the day.
Repeat. I find that planning helps me stay focused throughout the day.
Do you have any habits that help you stay productive?
Repeat. Do you have any habits that help you stay productive?
Yes, I try to avoid distractions while I'm working.
Repeat. Yes, I try to avoid distractions while I'm working.
That's a great habit because distractions can waste a lot of time.
Repeat. That's a great habit because distractions can waste a lot of time.
I also take short breaks to refresh my mind.
Repeat. I also take short breaks to refresh my mind.
A balanced routine helps me stay motivated and energized.
Repeat. A balanced routine helps me stay motivated and energized.
Fantastic. Now, let's move into storytelling practice. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and emotion. Last weekend, I decided to spend some time outdoors.
Repeat. Last weekend, I decided to spend some time outdoors.
The weather was warm and the sky was clear.
Repeat. The weather was warm and the sky was clear.
I went to a nearby park and took a long walk.
Repeat. I went to a nearby park and took a long walk.
While walking, I listened to an English podcast.
While walking, I listened to an English podcast.
I learned several new words and expressions.
I learned several new words and expressions.
The fresh air and exercise made me feel refreshed.
Repeat. The fresh air and exercise made me feel refreshed.
By the end of the day, I felt happy and accomplished.
Repeat. By the end of the day, I felt happy and accomplished.
Simple experiences can often bring us the greatest joy.
Repeat. Simple experiences can often bring us the greatest joy.
Taking time to appreciate small moments can improve our lives.
Repeat. Taking time to appreciate small moments can improve our lives.
A positive mindset can make everyday experiences more meaningful.
Repeat. A positive mindset can make everyday experiences more meaningful.
Excellent shadowing practice. Let's finish today's challenge with powerful confidence-building sentences. I am improving my English every single day.
Repeat. I am improving my English every single day.
I am becoming more confident when I speak.
Repeat. I am becoming more confident when I speak.
Every minute of practice helps me grow.
Repeat. Every minute of practice helps me grow.
I am proud of myself for continuing this journey.
Repeat. I am proud of myself for continuing this journey.
Mistakes help me learn and improve.
Repeat. Mistakes help me learn and improve.
I do not need to be perfect to make progress.
Repeat. I do not need to be perfect to make progress.
My confidence grows every time I practice.
Repeat. My confidence grows every time I practice.
I enjoy learning English and communicating with others.
Repeat. I enjoy learning English and communicating with others.
I believe in my ability to succeed.
Repeat. I believe in my ability to succeed.
My future English-speaking self is being built today.
Repeat. My future English-speaking self is being built today. Congratulations! You've completed episode 1 of the 10-minute English Shadowing Challenge.
If some sentences felt difficult, that's completely normal.
Come back and practice again tomorrow.
Remember, improvement comes from repetition, not perfection.
Every time you shadow, your pronunciation becomes clearer.
Your listening becomes sharper.
Your speaking becomes more natural.
And your confidence becomes stronger.
Thank you for spending these minutes with us.
Keep practicing.
Keep learning.
Keep believing in yourself.
And most importantly,
Keep speaking English.
we'll see you in the next episode of the 10-minute English Shadowing Challenge on Calm English Talks.